yeah, yesterday was a kind of wacky day in traffic. First I hit this darn pothole that wasn't really a pothole. And then I had this Dodge Dart almost run right into me on the highway. And yes, I am filming with my phone. I did not forget my camera, but I did forget to put the battery that's being charged for the camera back into the camera. But we're on our way to alloy wheel repair to get my wheel fixed. The good thing is with these forged wheels, I mean, they are soft, but when they bend, they just bend, they can be fixed. The cast wheel will most likely crack, and then you need a brand new wheel. What kind of bothers me a little bit about this whole wheel bending situation is that it wasn't like a classic Pittsburgh pothole. It was because of construction, them doing something in the middle of the road, in the middle of the highway, and like there was no way to avoid it. I couldn't like swerve around it or anything. It's just very annoying. If I had the energy, I could probably go after the city for that, but I don't. So here we are, alloy wheel repair. So what's up, Steve, man? It's been a while.
Oh, not a whole lot.
You know, new car, new wheels, same problem.
Yeah, first time seeing it. I'm surprised it took you this long to do some damage to it. But I know you'll be back a couple of times.
Oh,
it's unavoidable.
Don't jinx me, dude. Don't jinx me. Thanks for helping me out, though, man.
Yeah,
always.
Of course, anytime. And try not to get arrested speeding in the car.
Yeah, I'll try. Man, look at that bend. So we're happy that it's not a cast wheel, right? Because that would have cracked.
Potentially. Yeah,
potentially.
Not necessarily, but forged wheels, they will tolerate a bend much better than a cast wheel.
Right.
And they will also tolerate the straightening process a lot better as well.
Right. All right, so we're back home. I got a battery in the actual camera that we're using. The wheel is fixed. My guys at Alloy Wheel Repair got it all done, so it is straight. But one issue that we've been having, I don't think I mentioned this in a video quite yet. When we put the new wheels on, the brand new tires as well. When I drove home, I got a vibration in the steering wheel, just like kind of when you get a bent wheel, you feel a slight vibration in the steering wheel. Obviously, the wheels were not bent at all. They were brand new. They're perfect. The tires, however, has a wobble to them. So what I decided to do was to drive around in the car. You know, I mean, we were going to California for Car Week and all that stuff. I knew I was going to put up a few hundred miles on the car, which I have now, but we're still feeling a bit of a vibration in the steering wheel. Now these Pirelli P0s, which are, by the way, the only tires I can get in the size that I have here, 335, 25, 22. I wish I could get Michelin PS4S's, but they're just not available in these sizes. And some of these Pirellis can sometimes apparently have a wobble to them. They're not completely straight. So we're going to go see Chad at Wheel Connection, and we're going to contact Pirelli and see if we can get some brand new tires. Although these tires are brand new already. Alright, so we arrived. Here we are, first time right next to each other. 488 or F12. In the comments, which one would you pick? Chad's the man. And
yeah,
so
I just want to, if you need to hold money on my card just to make this right for him, I just want to make sure that it's made right.
So Chad called Pirelli for me, and he's getting all this taken care of, although it wasn't his responsibility whatsoever, because I ordered the tires from Tire Rack, but he still helped me out, so I really appreciate that. If you guys live in the Pittsburgh area, you need wheels or tires or something, wheels and tires related mounted, check him out. He's an awesome dude. And big thanks for Pirelli for sending me new tires.
Chris, now let's understand something. You're a we could say this on
I can't put that in the video.
We can say this on YouTube. You're done.
That's funny. Alright, so Chad got everything taken care of. Hey Chad, when are we racing for pink slips, dude?
Oh, dude, I can't afford it. The bank
well, neither can I, so it's all good.
I can't afford it.
No, but the people want to see a little.
We
go down to Tijuana and we just say we take care of it. Yeah. That'd be interesting. So what was?
If you can hit the gas pedal though, you'll win.
I don't know. He's got more torque than I do.
I don't think so. I don't think so. That
ankle doesn't fulcrum. Oh my God!
All right. Well, thanks, dude, for helping me out, man.
Have a good day. We'll take care of it tomorrow.
All right. I'll see you tomorrow. What the f***? You gotta be kidding man. Would you believe it? It happened on the same day. I was driving home from Chad's wheel place, and I hit the same wheel, same tire. I mean, go ahead, type your comments. Oh, I told you, Mike, you should have just kept it stock. You know, Ferrari created a master. But I understand if you're typing right now. I mean, it does make you feel good to type that I'm an idiot. Maybe I am an idiot as well, but you know, it is what it is. But with that being said, I don't know if that created a bend as well. We're gonna see whenever we go back, get the new tires on and all that stuff. But yeah, very typical. Maybe I just got all these like pothole situations out of the way right away and it won't happen anymore, but I don't know. Yeah, but we got half an hour until we have to be there, so let's move it. What a surprise, we need some gas. Hey, more power to you, buddy. I'd be thrown in jail if I was driving around like that. Chad, can you believe that I banged the same wheel yesterday on the way home? The same wheel. You can't have wheels like this in Pittsburgh. It's impossible. But I'm not sure if I bent the wheel or not. But yeah, I guess we'll find out. There we are, exactly 24 hours later. We're back. They're hard at work already. The car's up on the lift. Got the old tire off, new tires on. Alright, so all we gotta do now is just torque them down and we're done. They're quick over here. So we got two new front tires and they look a whole lot better on the machine. You know, I'd say the wobble is gone by like 99%. I think just putting some miles on these tires, then everything will be fine. We didn't really see a massive bend in the driver's wheel either, thank God. It might have been like miniature. So what we're gonna do is just take it for a test drive and see what it feels like in the steering wheel when I'm driving. Alright, so we're gonna take it out on the road here. I want to see the difference. We gotta get up to speed though, and then see if this vibration is gone. It's never really an issue when you're driving slow speeds like this, but we'll get out on the highway and see what's up. Alright, so we're doing about 78 miles per hour, which is around where it was worse and vibrating like crazy. And now we're good. I'm so happy. So the bang from yesterday when I left wheel connection, which I thought was a bend again in the wheel, is most likely not a bend at all. And the new tires, the front tires that is, they're good. So, I mean, it's 99% good. I can live with that. We're okay. Happy.
I can't go there. My hair is just like, it's all like, I can't, I'm just going to throw a quick braid in or something. It's a nice place, like, you know what I mean?
Stop. Just fluff it out a little bit.
Oh my God.
Give it some volume. Beach hair, honey. Beach hair.
You just gave me like a perm from 1985.
Perm from 1985. You are so dramatical with your like.
Well, you obviously thought that something needed to be changed because you're like fluff it. Like
no, but you were talking on get a braid. If
I said I should throw a braid in my hair. We're going to a nice place. You're like, no, just fluff it, and you went.
Yeah, fluff it
like
so you get more beachy. Alright, so we're trying to like just go and grab like quick dinner somewhere.
And he's like shuffling my hair all around like Cousin It. Like,
Cousin
okay. From the Addams family, you're Swedish, you don't understand.
I don't understand this. From
like
those
you just totally put your hand in my hair and just went fluff it. I mean, like, what the hell is that?
It's cute. I don't think they care more about her hair situation.
Some of the girls that watch it, that are driving trucks now understand.
The freaking 1% of the audience.
No, they watch.
It's a gigantic sausage fest on this channel. So
I can't even, don't ever do hair, ever.
What do you mean do hair?
You're in the right profession. Never, ever be in the hair business.
Yeah, I mean, I don't have much myself, so. I don't have a lot of experience.
Love it.
Alright, well, it was a quick transition in the video here. We went from the Ferrari to the Raptor. We're going to dinner. Not very interesting. The hair situation was kind of interesting and funny, but yeah. This is the weirdest ending to any video I've ever done in my life.
It had to be filmed because it was hilarious.
So the Ferrari's fine. We're doing good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stopping by for the first time and you haven't already and you want to. You might be able to see stupid stuff like this banter between my wife and I every now and then. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.